From 50 lakh to 50 crore, the game plan to become a real estate millionaire. Just imagine. An ordinary person with only 50 lakh, no lavish buildings, no partnerships with big brother, and no inherited land. Yet today, that same person owns a real estate portfolio worth 50 crore. No debt, no long wait, and no stroke of luck. It all happened through one plan. A formula experts call the game of timing. When everyone else was waiting, this person made the first move. And when the crowd finally gathered, he was already miles ahead. To win in real estate, you need sharp vision, perfect timing, and the art of rotating money strategically. That's the strategy that'll make you think, man, even I could have done this. But that's where the difference lies. Some people wait for the right time, while others make time their own. Today, we'll reveal a plan that can turn 50 lakh into 50 crore in just 10 years, without laying a single brick or constructing a single building. Yes, it's a mathematical strategy of buying and selling land, quietly creating fortunes across India's small and big cities. Real estate expert 𝐼𝐸𝐴𝐸𝐿 says, real estate isn't a game of buildings, it's a game of mindset. Those who understood this mindset used land like a canvas and wrote their own crorepati story upon it. This story begins with 50 lakh. No fancy apartment, no show-off project, just a single plot of land. Maybe one where only grass grows today, but in the future, that same plot could stand right in front of a metro station or industrial corridor. The key is to find land that's pre-zoned, meaning it's already planned for a specific future project. And this kind of information isn't found in newspapers. It's known only to those who track local master plans, municipal meetings, and zoning documents closely. Now imagine this. If you buy a piece of land worth 50 lakh in an area where a metro project is about to start in the next 1 or 2 years, or where an industrial hub is going to develop, what do you think will happen? Within the first 18 to 24 months, that same land could give you a 1.5x or even 2x return. That means your 50 lakh can turn into 1 crore. Now, with that money, you buy better quality piece of land, one that's licensed, preferred by builders, or ready for a joint venture. Then the same cycle repeats. Every 2 to 3 years, one round. Every round, profit. And every profit is reinvested into a new, fast-developing location. By the 3rd or 4th round, you don't just have money. You have a network, a name, and builders' trust. This is when you start getting approached for JVs, or you yourself become a part of a mini township with small partners. Notice something. Until now, you haven't built a single building. You've taken zero construction risk. You've simply read the timing and moved your money with time. The biggest rule in this game: buy smart. Exit smarter. People who think real estate is just a buy and hold a game, that you buy a plot and hold it for 20 years, are probably watching their money sleep. But those who buy smartly, sell before the crowd, and reinvest their profit in the next upcoming area, they are the real players. 𝐼𝐸𝐴𝐸𝐴𝐸 says, if your land isn't getting better each time, you're not moving forward. You're stuck. In real estate, profit doesn't happen when you buy. It happens when you sell. And the right time to sell is when everyone else is thinking of buying. Now you must be thinking, all this sounds easy, but where do we actually start? The beginning lies where the risk is low and the research is high. For example, in cities like Delhi NCR, Pune, Lucknow, Nagpur, Ahmedabad, and Coimbatore, new master plans are being created constantly. The government is announcing new ring roads, greenfield expressways, logistics parks, and metro routes. Amidst all this, if you keep an eye on areas where land prices are still low, but the planning documents show upcoming changes, that's your opportunity. Think of these lands as a canvas. Just like an artist paints the future on a blank canvas, a real estate investor visualizes tomorrow on an empty piece of land. and by selling that dream today, earns crores. There's another secret here. Group buying. Afraid to invest 50 lakh alone? No problem. Team up with 4 to 5 trusted people, create an SPV, special purpose vehicle, or a private limited company, and buy land under that name. Do all documents and partnership agreements legally. Then repeat this cycle with the SAM group. Flip the land every 18 to 24 months. Take the profit. Reinvest in the next piece of land. And soon, 50 lakh starts turning into 5 crore. Then 5 crore into 20 crore. And within 10 years, you could build a 50 crore real estate network, all in a tax-optimized way. People often think big money can only be made by becoming a builder or constructing skyscrapers. But in today's world, value creation happens silently. Gone are the days when you had to build a shop or a building to make money from land. Today's smart investors know one golden rule. Enter before the launch, exit at the launch. Meaning, when the builder comes to buy the land, you should already be the landowner and sell it to him at a premium. That's the real game. And that's exactly why quite millionaires are emerging across India's smaller cities without any spotlight. They neither flaunt on Instagram nor appear in Forbes lists. Yet, their bank accounts hold those zeros that most people only dream of. Now the question is, can you do the same? If you have 50 lakh in liquidity, a bit of patience, and a lot of curiosity, yes, you absolutely can. But there's one condition. You have to step out of the old mindset. Not buy and hold, but buy, understand, sell, and reinvest. Once you grasp this cycle, real estate stops being just an asset class. It becomes a wealth creation machine. And the best part, this machine will work for you, not the other way around. Because in the end, Aishwarya Shri Kapoor's words ring true. Land is not just land. It's a canvas. And who paints on it determines whether you're the artist or just a spectator. So friends, this was the complete real estate formula. From 50 lakh to 50 crore. Now, the next step is in your hands. You can either close this video and continue living life the old way, or treat this as a blueprint and plan your next 10 years around it. Learn how to move your money, learn how to read land, and most importantly, learn how to read the timing. Because in real estate, money is made only when you move before others and exit before the crowd arrives.
If our video has taught you something new, do not forget to like and share this video so that this information can reach others as well. Your likes and shares are a source of inspiration for us. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments. It will be our honor to answer your questions and listen to suggestions. And yes, if you like our content, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you stay connected with every new story. Thank you. GRT Business YouTube channel sources, news from various news agencies, opinion polls and other public sources. We try to ensure that every report and summary is accurate and verified, but we are not responsible for any dispute or error. Our aim is only to provide you with accurate information.